Costa Rica, from a small town called Monte Cristo, Aguas Arcas, the northern part of Costa Rica.
And what can you tell us about your bird call?
For some of you that know me, I'm started restoring some land in Costa Rica, in northern part of Costa Rica, small reserve. When we removed all the cattle, the forest started growing super fast, which is pretty amazing. And then the first bird that came to this like understory cover area is the bird I'm gonna do tonight. It's called the white-collared manatee. And then what they do is that they do a lick. They clean an area on the forest floor, and then usually that area has two sticks, and then they jump in between those sticks, making the sound I'm gonna do here. So that's basically it. And as a side note for the judges, I've been in El Salvador, and I know how to skate from there. So